Welcome to day 4 of our 365 Days of Mindfulness challenge. Today, we're focusing on mindful waking, a gentle, intentional way to start your day. With awareness and gratitude, how you begin your day sets the tone for everything that follows. By waking mindfully, you invite calm and positivity into your morning and carry it with you throughout the day. Let's guide you through today's mindfulness practice. Waking up mindfully. You can do this tomorrow morning or during your next wake-up moment. When you first open your eyes, resist the urge to jump out of bed. Instead, pause. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. Is it rested, heavy, or energized? Observe without judgment. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this 2 more times, letting your body and mind awaken gently. Bring your attention to something you feel grateful for. It could be as simple as the warmth of your bed, the quiet of the morning, or the opportunities a new day brings. Allow yourself to truly feel that gratitude. Think of one word or phrase to guide your day. Perhaps calm, focus, or kindness. Hold on to that intention as you prepare to rise. When you're ready, sit up slowly. Feel your feet touch the ground and take a moment to notice the sensations. Stretch your body gently and welcome the day ahead. So why does mindful waking matter? It creates a foundation of calm and clarity for your day. Instead of rushing into a whirlwind of activity, you start with presence and intention. This simple mindfulness practice helps you align your mind and body, making mornings a time of peace rather than pressure. Now, let's reflect. How did mindful waking change your morning? Did you notice a difference in your mood or energy? For more mindfulness practices, visit the Serenity Mindset blog. A detailed guide for today's mindfulness practice is linked in the description. Thank you for joining us on day 4 of the 365 Days of Mindfulness challenge. Let's carry this mindful waking practice into our mornings and create a serene start to each day. See you tomorrow for day 5. Stay serene and wake with intention.